Hi, this is Gary Kay, and this is actually the first video I've done for InfoComm 2026, and we're actually off-site at the Extron Experience Center here in Las Vegas, and we're going to get a private tour of their Experience Center, and I'm starting with Peter Ganay, who's the Manager of Product Development. And Peter, first off, thanks for doing this morning.
Oh, thanks for having us or coming over.
I appreciate it, and we're going to start with what? Tell me what this is.
This is the newest UCS 910 transmitter receiver. It's essentially our latest USB 3 and 2-in-1 USB extender. It extends USB 3.2.1 up to 330 feet using twisted pair Cat5 cabling. Essentially, it's got a transmitter, receiver, sold as a kit. The transmitter supports USB 3 up to 5 gigabits per second. It has a USB-C port for connectivity, and the receiver has a built-in 2-port USB hub, one being USB-C and the other one Type A.
And so this would be, for example, if you're remote, you have a second camera in the room that you're remoting from the front camera room so that you're able to put that wherever you want in the room. This would also be for any other USB device, like a rAVe microphone system, or for that matter, anything that's USB.
Absolutely. This is a perfect solution for essentially extending, anytime you need to extend USB 3 to devices like cameras, video bars, audio DSP with USB, keyboard, mice, all the way up to 330 feet using twisted pair cabling, which is essentially the cabling of choice, so ease of pullability and things like that.
Especially since collaboration became a big deal. Absolutely. And it's a transmitter receiver pair.
Correct.
And ultimately, they're skewed together.
Yes, right now they're sold as a kit. They come complete with a patented Zip Clip 200 mounting bracket.
Okay.
And essentially it has everything you need to carry out your UC system extension of USB 3.
All right, so let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this Zip Clip bracket
Zip
here.
Clip's
because
awesome.
This is quite unique here. Tell them how I'm going to grab this from you.
Okay.
Tell them how this works, because you have something here that a lot of companies don't realize, I think.
Yeah, these are little hidden gems. The Zip Clip 200 comes with a caddy and essentially allows you to mount our boxes onto the clip, and allows you to easily mount the product
just by snapping.
Just by snapping it. So for serviceability, if you ever need to take the product out, you can take the clip out.
Right. So you don't have to demount the product.
Absolutely.
Basically, you're basically unclipping it
Correct.
from the mount itself and taking it out of the rack and then replacing it or whatever happens.
Right. All of our smaller rack mountable products, even our power supplies, are able to be zip clipped into these clips.
And this will work with that, obviously. Okay, so this is the transmitter receiver kit. It's the UCS-T.
UCS-T and UCS-R 910 series.
All right, so the transmitter's a T, receiver's an R, but it's sold as a kit. All right, we're going to go around and actually shoot videos on every single one of the product stations here at the Extron Experience Center. Peter, thanks for starting us off this morning. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And of course, you can see all of this at extron.com.